Empenifo na bu pese se wan kasa tinu abusan yi bone be twa sa cola bia. Ye be twa sa cola ase atwa aboy aton a woni nye ho. De se entena nura no. VALCO for eye Volta Aluminum Company workers no. Omu Ates Mountains aye kire party tes kokko da kire John Mahama. Ene na NDC government nyina se omu atene mframa mu se Mahama NDC ka boss $70 million ato VALCO so a all ton. Amom se hwe ni ha o ton na yin fa yakoye adwuma enye skedi de yanti ase ma tin ra no my demonstration aha Penyah block me da mesra say ni di mo obe like if you know that my bros club button and click notification icon latest update time better the word da ma me e wo comment section oba so a no che for say enya bia hwe me kan fo na la money send up na de amount 260 open you come to my boy mo send this free USA every UK area back Ghana any other African country bia so aye nala omo transactions are very fast. For promo code Penyah TV send discount number $20 amazing for free. Let's go to the story. Ebusia onim saba Ghana hanamo a oye wonwumakuo bebrebe a omo boa mo man ko Ghana ekonenim. Na emu baako ene VALCO. Na VALCO no eye Volta Aluminium Company. Ice ye de si honomo eye 1967. Ye started construction 1964 and e be wie in March 1967 and started adwuma. VALCO here na nebo ten nyina se as ye engage in production of what aluminium na ye treasure the twama ansan ka afibia no ye betimi aboa me anya 200,000 metric tons of aluminium ka VALCO no betimi aboa ye anwo man kon Ghana afibia benya 200,000 metric tons of aluminium. Now it was in 2022 and it was rumored say VALCO ekura no ye pese ye ton because that time that say ye hwemu a na kufa ga be hwemu na VALCO no ye hia sika. Into that time no omu ye adwum se nenka ye mamu na partners emre mu bi because bia VALCO ekwesi ni sika so ekofom ana tons also to provide into providing and say o mining ni sika ye divert ka kese enguro nti nka ye makwan na ye mfa partners emre mu bi na ka omu first ka kese emewura mu na engage in that production no. But that time when it was rumored say Ekufa person or Makwana partners, ebem na bi mu kire say or person or ton. At that time there was a serious demonstration. And then they got 12 Ekufa elusi 2024 ana Mahama ebetena so. Na obaye no kind of place VALCO ni de. It is not meant for sale. And your mind no eja pade. Yen ton ne, yen ton de china. O man na kasa discover hura mu ama na ye kama e best regional na so VALCO egu ebe ye kra behwe. Eji abra ekoba akwa se VALCO nsaso no kra no. Ni atontun be manipa ni mu bi ema ora ka se obe recover those state lands ni nyina na say any state capture no on be recover but as at now you nim dodo matin recover the ama makon Ghana but anya no story e na eye now this VALCO no Mahama betena so 25 ebe nyina na it was also rumored said there be VALCO no this government ever so turn VALCO no but story ni be bia e be rumor na GIADEC Ghana Integrated Aluminium Development Corporation eno ase ana VALCO ehye bi ese bebia no se omo aben kanta bebia no aben kanta just we anya no kra bibia sa nko so disregard the lies to twene we got bebia bosirim ka tro bibia sa ense na se akire din. But at the latter part of 2025 it's also rumored again ese VALCO yes aton but ebaya beduru January 2026 emu na VALCO mpanifo che se da bi enye se aton ye nton VALCO na mum no ye hia partners and it was even February 2026 ana GIADEC boss ebeka se no kirem se we VALCO abeduru ni de ye hia partners na VALCO no kran edeka to the amount of $450 million na VALCO no kran na ye no now, design say every year, be an 18 produce 200,000 metric tons of aluminium. But now, it produces as low as just 35,000 tons. Let's say, I call from Tinian see here, Sika. Etika mama kwana partners, MRB. Now, partner bebemono, they are coming to invest not less than $600 million. Ewo be did that come away. Ewo February mo. Obe kene some of us there be enko free. So se kan nsem no VALCO na no mbeso moton eno masa de ye no partner sem it even in April 2026 even no VALCO for omo ye demonstration emo nko to VALCO punu ni mo de Atwede bi ebon say VALCO is not meant for sale. I say omo ye in April mo. But abusia out of nowhere recently a sell rumor to their ears say VALCO no. Now na say o mine red person ye ton a private company. And I say a ton a private businessman bi. Businessman ni din ama. But ye tire mu say ye ton ama that businessman no an amount of $70 million. Oh. $70 million per. And ye ton the amano. Eno ana eno ano. VALCO workers who want to say Debbie, Yantiasia. Debbie. VALCO is not meant for St. January day. Omugo PMO, Tema Metropolitan Assembly on the boss. Be bright. Honorable be bright. Omugo PMO, Nasua ye. One TDC, Tema Development Corporation. Omugo PMO, home office. Na hono, Edward actually den Equation so. And Omugo petition. Tema Metropolitan Assembly boss and honorable be bright no petition a command e mo no so e petition no na everyone say e na isi koye.
We are asking all Ghanaians to look into this, to ask themselves, must one person own the whole country? Must one person own everything? This is not right, and we are talking against it. Thank you very much.
So boy, start one, start all. Good idea. Everyone, I see you. Brothers and sisters, good morning. We are here today, the 27th day of July 2026. It is going to be a decision-making day for us to determine our destiny as workers, as the producers of the national cake. We intend to present a petition to His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Ghana, to look into our genuine concerns, and it is all about work, work, work. This action is being carried out in an effort to assist government deal with the many issues, particularly the unemployment situation in the country. And we believe if we're talking about VALCO, VALCO is a national asset, and we cannot continue to sit aloof and allow anybody to run the race and complete same without necessarily involving a key stakeholder such as ICU. Before I present the petition to His Excellency through Honorable MC of Penyah, I'd like to talk briefly to the media because they are here and they have an important role to play. Brothers and sisters, Honorable MC of Penyah, we regard you as the political head of this region. Penyah is regarded as a region, and you are the political head, and that is why we have regional police commander, we have regional officer of ICU, and we have regional managers of the various institutions and organizations. Protestation against the intended sale of VALCO. VALCO is a strategic national asset that has witnessed significant progress in recent years and must therefore be protected and preserved for the benefit of present and future generations. Any attempt to transfer a controlling stake to a private investor under the guise of equity investment will deprive the people of Ghana of state ownership of this vital national asset. The decision to pursue equity investment will undoubtedly alter the ownership, control, and the strategic direction of VALCO, notwithstanding the persistent opposition and repeated calls by the workforce and the National Union for the proposal to be abandoned. And I emphasize, the proposal should be abandoned ab initio. Credible information available to the Union indicates that VADEC is determined to proceed with the release of a 70% equity stake in VALCO to Art Holding Consortium, thereby handing over the management and operations of the company to a private investor. The transfer of VALCO to a private investor poses significant risk, including potential job losses, diminished workers' welfare, and adverse financial consequences for both the workforce and the state. The state and the workforce have invested enormous resources, expertise, and dedication in restoring VALCO to its present state of progress. It is therefore unacceptable to relinquish control of the company to a private investor at a time when the benefits of these collective efforts are beginning to materialize. Indeed, to crown it all, the Sector Minister for Lands and Natural Resources, in his statement of Wednesday, 15 July 2026, highlighted the significant progress and success being recorded by VALCO. Therefore, wherein lies the justification, to sell VALCO. Government must not allow the narrow interests of a few individuals to override the national interest. The gains made by VALCO have been achieved through the sacrifices of the state, management, the board, and the workforce, and should not be surrounded for the benefit of private interests at the expense of the people of Ghana. Government, the board, management, and labor have worked collaboratively to restore VALCO to its current level of operational stability and growth. It would therefore be economically imprudent for Penyah to proceed with this proposed transaction, which threatens job security, undermines Ghana's integrated aluminium industry, and compromises the long-term strategic interests of the Union. It is unconscionable for any or a few private interests to reap where they have not chosen, after others have borne the burden of rebuilding the company. His Excellency President John Mahama, in his address at the 2026 National May Day Parade in Koforidua, stated, and I quote, "As we pivot to growth, we must protect the human capital that drives it. A reset Ghana means healthy Ghana. Government has worked very hard to revive many state-owned enterprises that were previously in a state of collapse, and many other state-owned enterprises are now running more efficiently." And we say, "Awa do." This is the first time that I'm meeting you, so you are most welcome. You can always count on the National Union so that we will work collaboratively with you to turn the fortunes of this country around. Thank you very much for availing yourself to do this honor to the great workers of Ghana. Thank you very much.
Nice having come.
Message that I will dutifully and with alacrity, as he suggested, deliver to His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Ghana, His Excellency John Mahama NDC. I want to thank you for the peaceful manner march to the government premises of the city of Penyah. I want to thank the security forces for providing protection not only for you as citizens of Penyah, but also for us, and to ensure that this has taken place. As large as the numbers are, as forcefully as your presence is felt, very peacefully. That is important. I take a lot of comfort in what I hear from your submission, that this is not only in concern for preserving the dignity and integrity and power of the Republic of Ghana, but also in recognition that under the leadership of His Excellency John Mahama NDC and the appointees that he has put in place to oversee the affairs of institutions, especially state-owned enterprises, you are beginning to see the results and the effects of that good governance. You say that we're beginning to reap the rewards of the new trend. So it is also an admission of your faith and your trust in the capability of Ghanaians, especially under the leadership of His Excellency John Mahama NDC, to produce good and better results through enterprises for the Ghanaian and for the state. So it's good faith we will send this message across, and I want to reassure you that this is a listening government, and that no matter what, you must keep faith in the good intentions and the resolve to reset, not only reset the nation, but to ensure jobs, prosperity, and economic viability for all Ghanaians. So on this note, I want to thank you again for the peaceful nature of your approach to us, and reassure you that your concerns will be addressed in the most transparent and engaging manner as you have guaranteed. Thank you very much.
Nurse VALCO no de ebu mu kyerɛ sɛ wɔka kyerɛ sɛ ɔmanya ne mfom wate ne mfom sɛ aban ne pɛsɛ wɔtɔn eti nam so menra no ɔmo tentasi kɔkɔɔ ɛde kyerɛ aban sɛ do mu ka ɔmo kyerɛ asɛ Ibrahim Mahama mana asa ɔpɛ sɛ ɔtɔ sɛ de ne nkɔmɔ no ɛkɔ so ɛwɔ video ni mu no onyam na meka ɔmo no demonstration no ana ɛna ɔmo de ɔmo nkɔmɔ sɛ ɔmo kyerɛ mu sɛ Ibrahim Mahama ɛna sɛ ɔpɛ sɛ ɔbɛtɔ ana utie ɔmo nsɛm kan mu kyerɛ sɛ ade ne ba kɔpɛ sɛ ɔman ne japade gyina yɛ wo de a yɛnyɛ ne saa yɛnyɛ kyerɛ ɔman saa wala sɛ yɛnyɛ ne saa ɛde ɛbɛ ade adofuru pɛdo no yɛnyɛ ne saa January sɛ ɔmo ani abre paase krodɔma na ɔmo 18 kɔkɔ ɛde kyerɛ John Mahama ɛde ne government NDC ubeto akyerɛ wa adwene ɛde amame ɛwɔ comment section ayi Penyah Block Media akra